Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how you can get YouTube subscribers and views within seconds. Before moving further, like this video and share also. The like and share target is 100k. Comment on this video also and give us your opinion on. Subscribe our channel for upcoming more videos. So moving back towards today's topic, in this video we'll teach you how you can get YouTube subscribers within seconds. For this one you need to install YouTube X application. The application link is given in the description of this video. You can click on that link and you can download this application. Now we will open this application and we will teach you how you can use this application to increase your YouTube subscribers. Once you will open this application, you have to give your real YouTube Gmail ID on which you have YouTube channel. Here you have to remember one thing: the email which you will give, only you can gain subscribers on that YouTube channel and Gmail ID. Otherwise, if you have another channel, you have to register that ID also to gain YouTube channel subscriber on that YouTube ID. Choose any password. You don't need to give your Gmail password. You have to choose a new password to secure your personal YouTube channel or personal information. You can set a new password here. Then click on sign in. Once you will register, you will see a guideline. If you want to see the guideline, you can click on read the guideline. Otherwise, you can skip this one. So here the interface of this application will look like this. So you want to exchange the subscribers, you can click on subs and here you will subscribe to any channel. You will get different kind of points. Let's say if you will subscribe the first channel, you will get 4 points, but if you will subscribe the second channel, you will get 15 points. If you will subscribe the third channel, so you will get 1 point. It's up to you which channel you want to subscribe. The way you will subscribe other channel, other people will also subscribe your channel. So you have to give your channel link and then you have to collect the points. After collecting the points, you will start getting the subscribers. So how you have to add your channel, you have to click on, you can see at the top left side 3 lines. Click on this one. You will get 16 points when you will register on this application and click on my channel. Click on plus sign, paste your channel link here and channel title. Click on this one. It will start validating your channel. So now our channel is now added. Now we will start subscribing others and other YouTube creators will subscribe our channel. So we will show you how it works. Now go back to main menu, click on subs. If you want to subscribe anyone, you can subscribe, you will get points. If you don't want to subscribe anyone, then you can like others videos and you can get points. If you will make comments on others video, you will get points, and with those points you will get subscribers. You can choose any method which is easier for you. Now I'll teach you how to assign points. Click on exchange and here you can assign how many points you want to give to the creator who will subscribe your channel. So we have 16 points. That means we will get 2 subscribers and we will give 8 points whoever subscribe our channel. We'll click on done and then we will click on this tick mark. Now all the settings are saved. We'll go to sub and then we will click on the first one. So we will subscribe this one and we will get 15 points. So you have to sign in here into YouTube also. sign in. Once you will sign in, then you have to retry again. Now we are signed in with our Gmail account. Now we will again try to subscribe it. Now we have subscribed this one, and we will click OK to validate our subscription. You have gained 15 points. So we have gained 15 points. We will refresh this application, and now we will subscribe another channel. You can subscribe those channels who are giving maximum points.